and welcome back to my channel. I'm Bonnie and thanks for joining me. Today I'm talking about Grand Princess and the buffet. We will also talk about Salty Dog, the International Cafe, Slice, and then coffee and cones. So let's get started. Horizon Court Buffet is there for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You use the hand washing station, and as you enter, you'll notice there's a lot of food in a casual setting. Hi, good morning. Oatmeal, thank you. With some raisins. Bagel maker there.
So what can I do the resin, ma'am?
Here's a lunchtime buffet. We have pasta salad, snacks. Chicken tikka masala, potato leek soup, and a salad. And in the late afternoon, there's always some kind of snack or dessert to enjoy with coffee or tea. And items vary from day to day, and they are served in a grab-and-go style. There are no trays to carry your food, so you have to select what you can carry to the table, and of course you can return back and forth. There's a salad bar, a create your own sandwich, and all your beverages are served to you. Generally one side of the buffet is open and then they switch sides for dinner. If you are enjoying this video, please hit that like button and that would help my channel out. My goal is 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. The buffet is slightly small. It's full a lot of the times and it does get a little chilly in there, so I would bring a sweater. We're at the buffet and it's interesting because they have grab and go container, like things are placed in something like this. For example, this had pineapple in it. You just grab it and go, so they don't necessarily need a person standing there serving you like the other ships I've been on. So that's smart because their layout here is just kind of small, and I don't know how they could possibly even do that. So that is smart. And then another thing that I think is smart, those last cruise I was on, I had so many issues with coffee and cream, and I'd have to say this much and whatever. These people have thought of something that the other cruise ships should think of. It's brilliant. It's so simple, I didn't think of it. But look at, they took coffee, right? And then they poured milk in it, or cream in there, and then you can pour your own. So brilliant, because that was a major issue for me. Just an observation, but it is pretty crowded here. So on the outside of the buffet area, there is a bar. Well, I just was talking to a lady downstairs, and she said that generally on a Hawaiian cruise, the first 2 days are kind of lousy weather, and after that it's great. So I got myself, they have a coffee and cones outside coffee bar with ice cream by the pool, and I got myself an espresso, a double espresso latte. It's very good. And there's also another coffee shop down on the 5th floor that I've discovered. The International Cafe is open all day until late at night. It is located on the Piazza section of the atrium, and it's a place that has a lot of nice little snacks, donuts, and you can listen to the live music or watch people dance in the main atrium. And in the afternoon they have a wide variety of salads and sandwiches, baked goods in the morning, and then you have some desserts at night, and you can get espresso blends or some type of custom coffee or tea. Looking for something poolside to eat? The Salty Dog has gourmet burgers, curly fries, street tacos, and the like. It's a great place to go when you're watching a movie. Also, poolside is Slice, the pizza that's Neapolitan style, and it changes every day. You can have different toppings or plain cheese. It's delicious, it's thin crust, and again, a great thing to have while you're watching a movie.
You like it? That's good.
It's a very leisurely, nice crowd. They're all having a good time. So with that, I am off to finish my coffee and looking for afternoon tea. It's been a pleasure showing you around the Grand Princess, and I also have other videos on the Princess cruises. I have the top 6 special spots, and then like I say, the specialty restaurants, a ship tour, and some of the places we went to, and some of our excursions in Hawaii, how to have a perfect sea day, that kind of thing. So make sure you check out those videos. I hope this has helped you, and if you are interested in cruise destinations, cruise excursions, or extend your cruise ideas, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. And until next time.